Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter UEFI Diagnostics on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. At first your laptop has to be shut down, so if it's currently on, shut it down and wait for 15 to 20 seconds to make sure that it's fully off. Once it is, you will need to start pressing on the power button. Just press on it shortly, and immediately after releasing it, start switching the camera switch, which is right next to your power button, until it shows a Lenovo button menu. So let's click on the power button. Now we can start switching the switch. We can see the Lenovo button menu now, and let's click on UEFI Diagnostics. Here you can diagnose different kinds of stuff. So let's select, for example, let's see what do we have in the display, and you can see the selected things. You can unselect some things. I think I'm gonna leave all of these. Then I'm gonna click on confirm. And now it shows me instructions, so the entire screen will be red to see if any pixels are not red in color. So let's click on that. I think that all pixels are great, so I can touch and select if the screen was painted correctly. Yes. Then I'm gonna click on OK and see the blue color. Let's click on that. I don't really know if I'm supposed to exit it with touch or what is going to happen. I think I should have an external keyboard plugged in, because without it, it sort of works like it shouldn't. But this is basically how you do diagnostics. So it's best to have an external keyboard and external mouse plugged in. That would for sure help. By the way, the Bluetooth ones won't work. It has to be something that's either connected with a dongle or with a cable. So it just works. And yeah, you can test the different kinds of stuff like memory or CPU as well. I'm gonna shut it down since I think it has freezed. And for the future diagnostics, I will plug an external keyboard and mouse. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.